In this session, we will create a flowchart to calculate and print the average of three numbers. The average of three numbers is calculated by summing the three numbers and dividing by 3. For example, suppose A is equals to 12, B is equals to 10 and C is equals to 8. Thus, the average of the numbers listed above is A plus B plus C by 3. That is 12 plus 10 plus 8 by 3, which is equals to 10. So without further ado, let's get started. To begin the program, we will first create a starting terminator. Now, we will implement an input component to accept three numbers from the user and store them in variable A, B and C. Then, we will build a process box. Additionally, calculate the average of three numbers and save it in a new variable called AVG. That is, AVG is equals to A plus B plus C by 3. After that, we will use an output component to print the average. And lastly, we will end the program with the end terminator. Thank you.